everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic accessory that promises to elevate the look and feel of several popular smartwatches, the Onaneag Smart Watch Band. Specifically, we're looking at their 22mm quick-release stainless steel metal replacement straps, designed to be compatible with a range of devices, including the Onaneag P110, dated by Pokilla P114, Nihiman 1.96 watch, and the Halvian JX629 watch. One of the immediate standout features of this band is its construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it instantly gives any compatible smartwatch a more premium and sophisticated appearance. Gone are the days of flimsy silicone or worn-out leather straps. This metal band brings a robust elegance that can transform a sporty gadget into a stylish timepiece suitable for more formal occasions. The polished finish catches the light beautifully, adding a touch of class that many users seek when upgrading their watch's aesthetic. The quick-release mechanism is another game-changer. For anyone who has struggled with tiny spring bars and specialized tools, the integrated quick-release pins on this Onaneag band are a breath of fresh air. Swapping out your old strap for this sleek metal one takes mere seconds, requiring no tools whatsoever. This convenience means users can effortlessly switch between different looks, perhaps a silicone band for workouts and the stainless steel one for work or evenings out, without any fuss. It truly enhances the versatility of their smartwatch collection. Comfort is often a concern with metal bands, but this one manages to strike a good balance. The links are smoothly finished, preventing any snagging on skin or clothing, and the weight feels substantial without being overly heavy. It provides a reassuring presence on the wrist, reminding the wearer of its quality. The clasp mechanism is secure and easy to operate, ensuring the watch stays firmly in place throughout the day, whether they're typing at a desk or out and about. The broad compatibility is a significant advantage. Knowing that one band can fit multiple popular smartwatches, like the Onaneag P110, dated by Pokilla P114, Nihiman 1.96 watch, and Halvian JX629 watch, makes it an incredibly versatile option for users who might own more than one device or are looking for a reliable upgrade for their current model. It eliminates the guesswork and frustration of finding a perfectly fitting strap, offering a universal solution for several 22mm lug-width watches. In essence, the Onaneag Smart Watch Band is more than just a replacement strap, it's an upgrade. It offers a blend of durable construction, effortless installation, and a refined aesthetic that can significantly enhance the user's smartwatch experience. For anyone looking to add a touch of sophistication and robust quality to their compatible 22mm smartwatch, this stainless steel quick-release band comes highly recommended. It's a smart investment for those who appreciate both style and practicality in their wearable tech.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.